Hi there, grade 12s. Here is a table of contents question that you might not have seen before. So we're going to put in a table of contents, and we only want the headings to come through that have been formatted with a particular style. In this case, you can see there it's the section style. Now, when we insert a table of contents, we usually just go, references, table of contents, automatic table of contents, and there we go. But does that line up with these ones over here? No, it doesn't. Okay. So what we're going to have to do is go to references, table of contents, and then go to custom table of contents. And we're going to go to options. Now, here they tell us, build the table of contents from whichever styles. What styles are we looking for? Are we looking for heading 1, 2, and 3? No. So I'm just going to delete that. We're looking for the section style, and there we go. And if they say they only want the table of contents to include the headings that have the section style formatting, then we're just going to put in number 1 because that's going to be the only level. We click OK. There you can see it displayed. Click OK again. Replace this table of contents. And there you go. You now have an automatic table of contents that has only pulled through the headings that have been formatted with the section style.